Check out this 2016 Toyota Prius 2. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 6 speakers, MP3 decoder, radio, in-tune audio, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, rear window defroster, power steering, power windows, remote keyless entry and steering wheel mounted audio controls. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.